Hey, what's up, drywall aliens? Well, I got a call to fix these crazy Picasso paint splatters in that purple ceiling up there. Well, them paint splatters were pretty heavy. You could feel them when you rub your hand across it. So what I did was scrape them down with my knife, power sanded them, and then Big Birthday and I proceeded to skim them out with Durabond, 20-minute Durabond. 2 coats to be exact. Nothing too heavy, tight skim. Just enough to cover up those heavy spots and make it smooth enough to sand. It were 2 tight coats. It should sand out really easy, 5 to 10 minutes at the most with a sanding block. Now with the Durabond dry and it's all sanded out with your power block, you proceed to priming. 2 coats primer, 2 coats paint, depending on what the situation is. This one took 2 of both. Same thing with the ceiling. The ceiling was pretty bad with the purple. Kept trying to bleed through, so it took a little more. But all in all, turned out nice. Another